Good evening, sir.
Guys, we arrived to the restaurants, okay? So we are ordering our food here. So everybody want to choose what they like. So that is what we are doing here. They have a nice food here. They have moi, fried rice, jollof rice, meat pie, fish show, a fish, hot dog, everything. They have a lot. If you want to eat soup, so nobody go to soup. I think my sister and my in-law they go to soup and I don't know whether it's pounded yam. So me, I didn't buy anything like that. I bought meat pie, meat pie and fish and moi. We call it moi. So that is what we are doing now. We are already pay here.